So it's pretty much done. Add the tomato paste. Not everybody likes it topped with the cash or cream. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, you may not want that. Like my husband, he's not, I don't think he'd be a fan of, so I make him a little separate bit. And like I said, I'm having mine with pita. I've got pita bread from Middle East Bakery in Beltsville. I get all my bread from there. Really good. My husband, on the other hand, he's a whole wheat kind of person, or Jamaican water crackers. So you can pretty much have it with either or, like I said. I can't wait to try it. Stay tuned, y'all, for more good recipes. This is Kashkeh Badejan. It's a Persian eggplant dip. Really good.